In today's video, I'm showing you my August setup in my bullet journal. I hope you enjoy. Let's dive in. So in many of my bullet journals, I like to add quotes of inspiration or motivation. And in this one, I chose progress, not perfection, because I really want to move past perfection and just focus on making progress and focusing on the process. And so here I wanted to create progress, not perfection. And would you know it, I accidentally held the what's it called, the ruler at an off angle, and then I drew, and I realized it before I had drawn the whole line, and then I thought, okay, so let's roll with it and try to make it into something, yeah, let's make sort of a frame with it or something, I don't know. But it looks horrible, and I don't know, maybe I'll do something else with it, I don't know, but progress, not perfection, right? And so the battery died, so you're just missing out on me drawing some lines and writing the headers in the left margin. And I'm actually going to create a separate video where I explain this whole goal spread. It's a favorite of mine, and I've used it for I don't know how many months now, and I'm loving it, so I really want to share it with you, but I just never seem to get around to doing that video. But if you want to see it, let me know in the comments below. That would totally motivate me to get started on that video ASAP. If you read my last blog post, you know that I struggled this spring and the beginning of summer to stay focused, to get stuff done. I was so stuck, and I finally managed to, I don't know, get out of the rut, and that's what I wrote about in the last blog post. I shared the 3 super simple things that I did to just get the ball rolling, to get me out of the rut and get going again. Yeah, it's so easy, but it really did help me, so that's why I wrote that blog post. And I'm still feeling a bit, I don't know, not sure that I'm really back in the game again. So I want to make sure that I can stay focused for August, which is why I created this spread. So on the right side, I'm going to write down all of my thoughts, tasks, everything that I feel like I want to do or that I should do, big projects, small things, everything. And then on the left side, I'm going to write 3 things that I feel are easy things I can do to help me stay focused. So I would love for you to share how you stay focused, like some small tweaks or tricks that you use to stay focused, to stay on the game and not get stuck, which is my focus for August, to stay on track and not get stuck. So if you have any tips or tricks or just want to share what you do, I would really appreciate it if you leave comments below. So this first weekly, I actually made quite minimalistic. I didn't add any flowers or any decoration to it, and I'm really loving it. The big boxes, there's a lot of space to write down all the tasks and all the things that I have going on. video with the theme of flowers this month, and I had in my mind, I was thinking I wanted to color it and not leave it as the black line drawing that it is. But I wasn't really sure, so I asked you guys on an Instagram story what you thought, and the majority of you said leave it as it is, so that's what I've done so far. So we'll see if I change it up in the future. I don't know. This turned out to be my favorite spread of them all. I just love the way it looks and the flower up in the corner. So I'm looking forward to see how I am actually going to enjoy using it once I get to that week. And this last weekly spread is something that I did a few months ago that I wasn't sure if I was going to like, but I really loved it, so I decided to give it another go, and yeah, so we'll see. Okay, so that was my August setup. And if you enjoyed this video, it always means a lot when you give it a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate it if you left a comment on how you stay focused. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.